Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will show you how to create this 3D model in AutoCAD 3D modeling. See, here is a 3D part with all dimensions. We open AutoCAD. I minimize this. Say I opened the AutoCAD 3D modeling. Here you can see all the options in AutoCAD 3D related to AutoCAD 3D. Now in AutoCAD, we can create a part in two ways. One, using feature based modeling, and second, sketch based modeling. This we can directly create using feature based. See, feature based means here we have options like a box, cylinder, cone, which is already defined. We can directly call this and we can create that part using union subtract. Whereas sketch based modeling is we need to go to 2D, create a sketch using these sketch options, polyline, line, rectangle, all these options. Then we need to create a sketch. After that, we need to add solid by using this extrude, loft, or revolve these options. Sketch based modeling options, these four, and these are all feature based modeling option. Now for this part I use feature based modeling just by using box, cylinder, subtract. Using these three options, I'll show you how to create this part. First, create a box. For that, check the dimension. Length is 62, width is 44, height is 50. In AutoCAD, directly go into box, no need to go into create a sketch. 62, tab, 44, enter, 50. So we got a box, a rectangular box I created. I apply a color. Then then here is a through hole which is exactly center of this box with a 20 dia hole, through hole. Then go to cylinder. Only we have to use box, cylinder and subtract option to create this 3D model. I go to cylinder. See, select surface. Here 3D center is showing. If you won't see this 3D center, create a cylinder downside and move the cylinder 25 mm above. See, if you won't see this center point on this surface, then what you need to do is create a cylinder 20 dia, means 10 radius. I change color. Then move this cylinder, go into move option, 25 distance. Enter, select center, keep straight, enter 25 distance. Like this, you can move. Then go for subtract option, SU enter. This part box, enter, cylinder. Then we get a hole like this. Then there is a rectangular cut of 8 height, 28 width and throughout. So here we need to use box again. Box I create separately here. This is 28. See here, their dimension it is showing 28, tab 8, this one not 8, this one total width wise we can create any width wise. See, I go for some 60 mm, enter, and height only 8. Then I apply a color, double click and apply a color. Move this, go to move option, select this rectangular block, enter. Here select midpoint, then place here. See there, midpoint is showing. Click there. Then you can see exactly that rectangular box. That box placed exactly at that position. Length may be of any length. Once you create a box, you can also edit that. See, if you want to reduce its dimensions or increase dimensions, just double click on that. Here you can see the input, length, width, height. Then what I do is, now I go to subtract, SU enter, box, enter that rectangular block. That's it. Then next, again here box of 18 mm, height 14, width and length throughout. Then go for box. This length may be of any length. I give some 80 mm, tab 16, and apply a color. Move this, go for move, select that feature and select midpoint, base point. Then see here, here it's showing midpoint, exactly midpoint of that edge. Click there, but it is not on the base. See, it is of distance of 16 mm from base. So move that block 16 mm in Z direction. Go for move option, select that block, enter, box, Z direction. Yeah, this is Z direction, it is tracing. Zoom it, zoom it. Yeah, 16 mm. 16 mm moved. Okay, here its width is only 14. I gave 16. So to edit that, double click on that. Width 14. That's it. Then subtract. SU enter. Main part enter. And this is a removing. We can get a box. Then now I rotate and show. See like this. Right click, exit, keep in isometric view here. Zoom it. Then go to model. Then this cut. Here this cut is of a 17 radius, which it is mentioned. Semicircle cut. And not through, it is from here to here, the distance is 44 minus 20, that gives 24. 24 by 2, 12, 12. So this is of 17 radius, 12 depth. Just go to cylinder, that's it. Cylinder, directly select midpoint, 17 radius, enter 17 radius, 12 depth. That's it. Then apply a color. Then copy this. On 4 sides you need to copy. Go for copy option. Here we have copy option. Select copy. Select that cylinder. Enter. Select center point as base point, 3D center. Select on this midpoint. Then exactly it pastes there. Then here, as we can't directly copy at the exact place, at the exact midpoint, so what we can do is I keep this and I give distance. Total 44, 44 minus 12, 32 I enter. How much is the width? Width is 44. So in this direction, 44 minus 12, 32. 32. Yeah, exactly it is copied. Then I delete this. Then that side also to the other side. Just to turn this shift and scroll. If you hold and shift, if you hold shift and the scroll button, if you press a shift and scroll button, it rotates screen. Then simply go for copy option now. Select the cylinder, enter, base point, select this midpoint and copy here directly. That's it. Now see. Now go for last subtract option, main body, enter, select all these four cylinders. Then go for enter. Then that gives the cut. I keep this in isometric view. See, this is the pod. This is the pot. So this pot, this 3D example we created without going into sketch, using all feature based commands like box, cylinder and subtract option. See like this. I rotate this so that you can see all sides. Like this, we have to create using feature commands. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.